again. Now, this is how we do it. This is how we roll, lads. I don't want it on my wall. Remember, on the shower tray, it's pointless putting it right on ends. You know why? See that? That's where we're going, to that packer. So we know that's going to squash down there. Yeah, we're going to squash out. This part here, we're not bothered about it squashing out. Take it all the way around. Stay there, baby. And then this part here, got a massage here. I could do with a massage. See how far up we're packing this tray? What we don't want is any hollow parts. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Haven't done any drawings for a while.
I know, I could do one in that, couldn't I? Do you know what I mean? Now that is looking hunky-dory. Even though it's rapid, you never want to panic. Because you know why? Once this tray sticks this gear, you're never going to get it back up. Ever going to get it back up. You know what I mean, Trevor? Now we're going to get this tray. Pausing the film. It's no good pausing it, kid. This is live time. Yeah, man. Now that is what we're talking about. What you want to do is get this tray onto this packer which we've got here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, see that? That's what we're talking, because we've got this packer there. We can see the gear squashing out. Give it a little wobble. We know underneath this tray it's fully packed. Fully packed. Now all we have to do is get level on there. Level across. I like it. I like it. It's like a job in town. Always make sure you got enough packer at the back, because you can never get to the back, but you can get to the front. So if you need to take that packer out to make it level, drop it down, just take it out, stand on it, bish bash bosh, job done. And that like so. Like so. That's it. As you can see the level, as you can see it all packing out here, and bang on. And that is why you get MJC kids in the bathrooms to do your bathrooms. Don't forget, when someone's too cheap, they're cheap for a reason. Oh, look at that. I don't even know how I get myself for money, you know what I mean? Now, I'm just going to leave that leg go off, and then I'll cut my packers out. and job's a good one. It's just beautiful. What I'm going to do is I'm going to get some in there while I'm at it. Yeah. Get some squash underneath there. Just in that corner where I had that big whacker. Nice. Oh, it's just like a job in town, lads. Just like a job in town. Oh, it's just like a job in town, that's it. Beautiful. Now all we have to do is the waste and have some dinner. Don't forget to like, share and follow. Whenever we're doing these wastes, this is the most vital thing. See that? Silicone, that rubber on if you're using it, to the trap and then to the tray. Because if this breaks, that comes loose, boom, leaking through your ceiling, it's all tiled in. If this breaks, that's stuck to the tray, it can't come off. All you do, buy another one of them, screw it back on, bish bash bosh, job done. Always remember that's a waste. From there to there. Nice. On a slant. That's slanting all the way down there. Boom, straight down there. It's going to fly away. Right, there we go. Solid solvent well waste from there to there to there. Down there. Back of the wall. Boom, straight downstairs to the waste. Just beautiful. That is what you call a job in town, lads. Job in town. So for the board, all I like to do is I like to use my mega stick. Now I'm getting a bit of an artist, you know what I mean? And what we like to do is we just like to draw something that reminds you what a lot of you plumbers on here are. Do you know what I mean? Could even have a little bit of a anyone for you. So fill all the gaps up. This is a full board. Remember, this is bulletproof, yeah? Bulletproof. This floor will never move. Okay. Right, my Stanley knife. Have I got my Stanley knife?
No.
Oh, I got my Stanley knife. All we need to do is just put a notch in it here. Oh yeah, nice. Get that squashed in there.
Right.
We like it nice and tight. Right up to the edges. And then what we want to do is, with my washers, huh? My lad, what's he doing? What's he doing to me, Chet? Do you know what I mean? We ain't got long, we've only got 10 minutes until this phone goes off. These, I like to do round about every 200. Oh my baby. We're just going to get a couple in for now. Remember, don't use foam, lads. Lads, don't use foam, okay? Don't overlap them either. Don't try to save yourself money because it don't work, yeah? Okay, okay boss. Make sure, see that joint there? Never go near it, alright? Okay, well, I don't know what he's done here. Huh? That's because he's been dreaming about that lass all night, you know what I mean? He says he had leg over yesterday.
6 times.
6 times. 6 times. Huh? How about that, lad? 6 times. You're not.
48 inch in total. I'll let you do the math.
I'd be lucky for once a week. Unless there's some special ladies out there who want a service, you know what I mean? You never know, do you?
Is that why you became a plumber?
Yeah, that's why I became a plumber. See that? I've just told you all not to do that, and I've just done it. But if you've done it, it don't matter. Do you know what I mean, kid? Just move it over, bitch by force. Job done. Now this is guaranteed never to move. Put your board down like that, and this will last forever. This will last longer than the house. Don't forget to like, share and follow.